Living in Australia and need some financial help, whether you have lost your job, you just had a baby, or you are a student or carer. Centrelink is here to support you, but the process can feel confusing, so in this video I will break it down like ABCs, step by step in plain English so anyone can apply even if it's your first time. Alright, what is Centrelink? Centrelink is a part of Services Australia. It gives financial help to people who are struggling, like job seeker for unemployed people, youth allowance for students, parenting payment for mums and dads, and disability support pension for those with medical conditions. Step 1. Set up a MyGov account. To apply, the first thing you need is a MyGov account. Go to www.my.gov.au, click Create Account and follow the steps. You will need your email address, a phone number to set up security questions for future logins. If you already have one, just log in. Step 2. Link Centrelink to MyGov. Once you are in MyGov, you got to link Centrelink service, and to link Centrelink service, you got to click on View and Link Services. This is my MyGov account, and I have already linked Centrelink services to MyGov account. But if you haven't, if this is your first time, you got to click on View and Link Services, and as you can see here on the screen, these are my linked services. It says your linked services, and I have got Australian Taxation Office, Centrelink, Child Support and Medicare already linked. But if it's not linked, then you will see under this option, under this category, link a service. So if Centrelink is not linked, then you will see Centrelink under link a service category, and then you got to click on link, and it will link to your MyGov account, and you will see it here. You will need some ID to verify who you are. You can use your Medicare card, driver's license, birth certificate, or CRN, customer reference number, if you have had Centrelink before. If you don't have a CRN, you can call Centrelink or go into a Centrelink office with your original ID. Step 3. Start your claim. Once Centrelink is linked, go back to the MyGov homepage, click on Centrelink. So here you click on Centrelink, click on menu here, and then on menu you will see the third category, payments and claim. You click on that, and then you click on claims, and then you click on make a claim. And then here, to make a new claim, you got to click on this. Now choose the type of help you want. You can choose job seeker payments if you are unemployed. You can choose youth allowance if you are studying. You can choose parenting payment, carer payment, and more. Step 4. Fill out the online form. Click on the payment you want to apply for, and the form will begin. It will ask for details like your income, your bank details, your rent or mortgage cost, your partner's detail if you have one, any jobs or Centrelink payments in the past. Be honest and give as much information as you can. Step 5. You need to upload your documents. So there are options on the home page here. As you can see, upload documents. You can click upload documents here, and then start uploading your documents, whatever documents they ask for, by clicking on begin. So here you need to attach those document files. It could be in PDF format, JPG or PNG. Alright, and I think there is another way to upload documents. So once you are here, alright, documents and appointments. documents and upload document. So you can if you click here upload document, it would be the same option as the one you saw it on in the home page. Step 6. Wait for a response. After you apply, you will get a message in your MyGov inbox. It may say you have been approved, or it might say you need to send more documents, or you need to attend an appointment online or in person. This usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on your claim. Alright, there are some bonus tips. Always keep your MyGov login safe. Make sure your Centerlink details match your bank account so you get paid on time. Download the Express Plus Centerlink app. It makes things faster. If you are stuck, call Services Australia on 132850. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you feel confident to apply for Centrelink in 2025. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I will try my best to answer. And if this helped you, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides in plain English.